This is Johannesburg's most modern and fast-growing urban spaces. This luxury precinct is known for its clean design, wide roads, and premium lifestyle. This is Waterfall City. Welcome. This is the heart of business innovation in Waterfall City. Deloitte is right here, a global giant providing top-tier audits, consulting, and advisory services to thousands of brands, making a huge impact in the industry. It is not just an office, it's basically a self-sustaining city. They actually have blinds that follow the sun like a sunflower and a basement plant that bottles its own water to kill off single-use plastics. If you've ever wondered what a 1.5 billion rand building looks like, this is it. You see this tower? It's not a camera glitch, the building actually twists. Every single floor is rotated 1.2 degrees. It's the first building in South Africa to use twisted glass panels. The coolest part? You can walk straight from this office tower across this bridge and be in the Mall of Africa or the park in about 2 minutes. No cars needed. Waterfall is a global power hub where industry titans live side by side. You have tech innovators like Amazon, Accenture, and Ericsson driving the digital economy. It's also South Africa's premier pharma hub, hosting medical leaders like Pfizer and Novartis, all supported by a massive logistics engine featuring BMW and Honda. This isn't just a mall, it's an architectural tribute to Africa. In front of me is the Mall of Africa, where you can find everything from high-end luxury to local designers under one massive, eco-friendly roof. If you want to see where Waterfall City actually hangs out, you have to come to Waterfall Corner. It's the neighborhood's social heartbeat, built around this stunning open-air piazza. You've got everything from daily essentials at Woolies to incredible fine dining at spots like Gigi or Math. It's the perfect place to swap the boardroom for a long lunch or a sunset dinner with a serious vibe. Waterfall Wilds is where the city meets the countryside. It is home to some of Waterfall's best-known eateries, including Vovo Talo, Lupa Osteria, and Turn and Tender. If you want convenience without the Mall of Africa crowds, Waterfall Ridge is the spot. It is anchored by a massive food lovers market, which includes a specialty butchery, bakery, and sushi bar. The centre was recently expanded with Waterfall Walk, which added high-end tenants like Woolworths Food, Clicks, and trendy eateries like Tiger's Milk, Malt, and Bakehouse. It's designed as a park and walk precinct, meaning you can park at Waterfall Ridge and easily stroll over to the new Waterfall Walk section. The pinnacle of luxury living. Look at these 4 towers, the Ellipse. Named after legends like Newton and Galileo, these aren't just apartments, they're a vertical lifestyle. I'm talking about a residents-only lunar club with a spa, a gym, and even a wine cellar. Plus, you're literally a short walk away from the Mall of Africa. This is basically 6-star hotel living, but you get to call it home. A smart city like this won't be complete without the educational hub. It is anchored by Kuro Waterfall Campus and Stadio Higher Education. The best sunset views can be obtained from the rooftop of this 4-star green-rated hotel situated just across the Mall of Africa. This is one of the most exclusive addresses in Johannesburg, Munyaka. Behind these gates and fence is a massive 3-hectare crystal lagoon that's literally 7 times the size of a rugby field. Even from out here, you can feel the beach resort energy they've brought to the middle of mid-rand. It's basically a 9 billion rands tropical paradise hidden in the suburbs. There's an energy here you won't find anywhere else in Johannesburg. Whether you're here for the world-class shopping or the 6-star views, Waterfall City is proof of what's possible. Thanks for watching, stay inspired, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We really appreciate you.